Hi everyone, we're doing another fidget trading video. Okay, so it's fake again, and I'm here with another Bumble Sting 100.
No, it's the same me, Amber.
I know. Hey, you just gave my name away. Oh no, you didn't give my name away, did you? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to do more fidget trading. That's going to be really exciting.
Amber, what if I fall backwards? My view fall backwards.
Oh, the camera. Okay. So let's flip the camera and see what the fidget trades are going to be. Don't show the prizes this time because that's a bit cheating.
Them.
Yeah.
Those are the prizes.
Yep. Those are the prizes.
But this time, whoever wins, they get both of these, but it's fake because they're both mine.
Yeah. What do you trade for this?
I trade this.
Decline. I don't want that panda squishy. Sorry.
Okay, your one's broken.
Okay. Tick.
No, I don't want to do it.
Okay.
What do you offer for the simple digits?
I'll offer these two.
No, I don't want to do this trade.
Of course you don't, Emmy. Even though that's my simple dimple, doesn't mean that you get to keep it on your side forever.
Oh, what do you trade for this?
What do you trade for this pea popper?
Let me just see. Can I test yours?
Yeah.
So,
Let's stop talking now. Let's just do it properly. Emmy, let's do it properly, okay, now? So if I decline, that means you have to put in a different one. And then if I press add, that means you need to add another, okay?
but we only talk if we don't want to do it. Okay? We declined because we don't want to do it. Okay?
We decline if we don't want that type of animal and we need to redo the whole trade, right? Yeah?
So,
Okay.
let's turn to this. You couldn't you just turn to your other pea popper? How about two of these pockets? Circle pockets.
Was that trade fair?
Yes. No, it's chewy. That's broken. No, you're trying to scam me.
Okay, if you say, okay. Decline.
Right.
I only have a unicorn simple dimple and I want that circle.
Okay, I was trying to get the circle.
You're trying to scam me to get the most things.
I wasn't trying to scam you. I don't have one of those.
add one. No, you need to add one. I want you to add one. And I added one from you. So,
I'll add, but then I'll decline because you're scaring me because I let you give you that for this.
accept.
Hey. Ooh, squishy poo. And
Yes. Did you realize how good that is?
oh no, I accidentally paused it. Oh no!
Emmy. Okay, are you ready?
I can't do it. I want to watch the video. Oh.
Okay, Emmy, what do you trade for this? Because we're still on my video.
Upload. No.
What do you want to trade?
Wait, let's see the one that we did yesterday.
What one?
These two. You only watched those, that one.